I'll show you how to make this poster in Figma in just 2 minutes. Open Figma and choose the frame you like and give it a dark fill. I'm choosing black. Then go to shapes, draw an eclipse and convert that eclipse into half like this. Once it is done, just flip it. It's going to be the cover of our light bulb, the metal part. Now pick a line and draw it like a hanger and give a good color for it as well. Since we are going to do a dark effect, dark colors are more preferred. Align both line and the cover at the center of the frame and give both a dark fill. You can choose whatever color you like. And once it is done, duplicate the cover of the bulb, the metal part. Just flip it, make it smaller and align it at the center. This is going to act as our light bulb. Now we are going to choose a bright color of the bulb. We are choosing white. And now here is the main twist. So go to plugins. In the search option, type glow. Open this plugin, just select the bulb and click apply. That's it, your light bulb effect is ready. You can add suitable images and fonts and make it as a book cover or poster. Follow for more.